Hi friends, now let's unbox and review Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip. Let's see what's there. Here it is written with the scanner code, and this side it comes with a Smitch branding. And let's see what the pricing is. Here the pricing is 24.99, but I have bought for 12.99 rupees in Flipkart. And the month of manufacture is 5/20/20. And the model number is SB1603, and warranty period is for 1 year. Let's see what the system requirements are. It runs above Android 6.0 and iOS 10.1 or higher. For smart control from any location, it needs a Wi-Fi connectivity and activity internet connection. And let's see the product specifications. Here it supports the Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz, and maximum output is 15 amperes for 3 outlets, and USB output is 2.4 amperes for 3 USB ports combined. We can schedule from daily routines, and we can control the smart power strip from anywhere in the world, and it also protects from voltage fluctuations. And for smartphone it is very useful. Now let's see what's inside the box. Here comes the Smitch Wi-Fi power strip. Here it is written Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip, and model number is 1603 as in the box. As it supports 2.4 GHz, and it is made in India, and it came from Chennai. Let's connect it let's plug it and check how it works. After switch on, let's see how it works. Here the small red lights are glowing over the 4 cords, and it comes with a switch, and remaining switches are not provided. Let's see how it works. It's a power off. Let's power on it again. Now let's download the app and see, and connect to the Wi-Fi and see how it works. Here I have downloaded the MySwitch app. Now let's see what's there. Here comes the branding of Smitch. Now let's sign up. Here comes the screen after sign up. Now let's select this one, and we need to plug it over the power. I have plugged in, and it's coming to. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, here comes the screen to configure it. After configuration, here comes the screen. Let's go to the menu. Here you can see the Smitch power strip. Now let's see the screens. Here comes the socket 1, and here comes the socket 2, and here comes the socket 3, and these 3 comes under USB charger. After pressing all on, they are on. After switching, you can see they are all powered off, and let's power on it again. Here you can see the guys. We can arrange the timer also. Here there is only 30 minutes. I think this is the drawback of Smitch app. It should be up to 3 hours, which is the normal time for charging. Yes, after setting 30 minutes, let's plug it with some plug and check it out how it works. I have plugged to the OnePlus charger and it's power on. If you see here, let's stop it, and its socket was switched off. Also guys, we can add the scenes, we can add the socket names and use the Echo Alexa or Google Nest. Using the voice, we can switch off and switch it on by saying the name. Here I don't have the Echo Alexa or Google Nest for showing you, and here you can there are rooms, and here you can add the rooms also after using proper smart device. Here you can schedule the events of daily routines for the usage of this Smitch Wi-Fi, and here you can see the support and also factory reset. And let's sync with the time. It is syncing with the normal time. This is my review guys, and here you can see it is power on, power off. Now let's press this one. Here you can see the light, LED light that is in red color, and let's switch off. See, it is resetting the Smitch app and the power button, and here you can see the blue light, and after switching you can see the red light. This is my review guys, and it is worth to the pricing of $12.99. I felt it great using this one. If you like this video, please subscribe.